Lexi, Jay,
Jess.
and Sue Jess. John.
Suggestion.
That's what I
Why
just
does everybody say Sue?
said. Because it's capitalized.
No, the Jess is capitalized.
No, the Sue is capitalized.
No, it's lowercase. Lowercase s u jess in caps. tion. Suggestion.
Suggestion.
No.
I guess we gotta start this shit over again.
No, don't start it over. Okay, question of the day, guys. If you saw me and Lexi walking in the mall, would you think we were gay?
Do you think we're gay?
We wonder that.
Because, like,
We're together all the time.
really, like, all the time that people see us,
Right.
we're together.
Right.
But we don't, we have our occasional moments, arm to arm, but it's not like,
Right. It's not like, give me a kiss right now.
like, give me a kiss, like Stevie J.
But,
People front, and, you never
Right.
know.
right.
We could be in the closet, but we're not in the closet.
No.
Let's-
Love penises.
yes,
A lot.
I like dick. Oh, shit, my great-grandma gonna see this.
That's why I said penis.
But I just said shit and dick.
Stop saying it.
Oh. So, right back in to tell us what we can do to not be gay. not
It's not that it's wrong. Nothing wrong with it.
We
but
don't have
We
problems.
just aren't.
we want to be out in public together and not
Get that stereotype.
that look like y'all gay.
Even
And
though some people think we look alike. So most people think we're sisters.
yeah,
So,
like 15, 16-year-old sisters.
right. But we're grown.
Yes.
20 and 21.
Yeah,
Wow.
so if any cute guy see this,
We're adults.